If you saw this absolute value expression, 3x minus y, how could you evaluate this? So if x is 2 and y is 5, let's plug these two numbers in this expression here. All right, so absolute value of 3 times 2 for x minus 5. 3 times 2 is 6, so we have the absolute value of 6 minus 5, which is the absolute value of 1, which is 1. All right, now let's switch the 2 and the 5, so 3x minus y with a different set of numbers. 3x minus y. So now, what if x is 1 and y is 4? Alright, so let's plug in 1 and 4 to x and y. So we have the absolute value of 3 times 1 minus 4. 3 times 1 is 3, so we have absolute value of 3 minus 4, which is the absolute value of a negative 1, and then the absolute value of any negative number is simply itself as a positive number. So we have a negative 1 becomes a positive 1. And that would be your answer. Alright, let's do one more problem. How about a negative a minus 2b. Okay, the absolute value, the negative absolute value of a minus 2b, where a is 10 and b is 3. Okay, so this time remember, note the negative is on the outside. So that'll come into play in a bit here. So negative absolute value of 10 minus 2 times 3. That's going to be the negative absolute value of 10 minus 6, which equals negative absolute value of 4. Now, the absolute value of 4 is 4. Okay, so this part right here is 4, but this time we have a negative on the outside, so this negative is still going to be there. So negative 4 is what this expression evaluates to for these given values.